Good evening, everyone. My heartfelt welcome to you to the world of innovative ideas and ideas worth sharing. This is Ritisha from Grade 9 Paramita High School TEDx Club. Do you know our heart pumps 7,571 liters of blood every day? In a month, it pumps 2,27,130 liters of blood. If a man lives for 70 years, then his heart pumps 1,58,99,100 liters of blood. Wow, it's almost unbelievable, but a fact. What a great service of our heart for our well-being. Have you ever thanked your heart? At least have you ever acknowledged its wonderful service, keeping your palm on the left side of your chest by saying, thank you? I know 90% of the human beings never notice or acknowledge different services of different organs in their body. It happens unknowingly. We take them for granted, right? Similarly, there are many other human beings whose services are unnoticed or ignored. Do you accept? Dear audience, my today's topic is the power of unnoticed. I presume we all have been to a roadside eatery stalls many times. The lady who cooks and serves us always has a smile on her face. We may never even think if she's happy or sad in her life. But one thing is for sure, she's humble and she cares for the people who eat in her little shop. This small experience does not only stick to a cellular customer act, but goes beyond that. We feel touched by the gesture of that service, of that silent, humble human being. Now, how many times do we notice these gestures consciously? Or that experience that stays with us for a little more time after we have left the place? Not many times, right? Every human being has a story, and every story is unique. A child who's compelled to sell pens at the traffic signal at such a young age teaches us to live with gratitude. A janitor who maintains the cleanliness silently teaches us the importance of keeping our surroundings clean. Don't you think these actions are powerful and yet go unnoticed every time? As I am growing up, I have started to notice how a smallest positive action can make a big difference even if they go unnoticed. Today, I do not want to mention about great powers and achievements of the human race. We already have heard many stories about them. Today, I am using the term silent power. Now, you may think, what are these silent powers? And why am I calling it silent? Let me give you a few examples. As we are sitting here in this venue today, we feel comfortable, we feel safe. But why do we feel this way? Because there is security team at the gate and at different places around the venue to keep us safe. Even in our school, we have employees who make sure that we safely reach the school and home every day. Bus driver uncle safely drops us at home. Do we really notice their silent powers? Next day when we come to the class, we find it clean and arranged properly. Who did it? Someone whose efforts silently go unnoticed. The support staff. Sometimes the efforts of our closest ones also go unnoticed. Our teachers, they spend hours preparing lesson plans, help the students who are struggling to learn. Did we really thank them enough? We all watch movies. Filmmaking isn't a cakewalk. Apart from the celebrities whom we love and appreciate on the screen, there are many others who are responsible for the making of that film. Some people do not even have their names reflected on the screen. We will have to be mindful of these things, my dear friends. I have realized one thing. Not all greatness needs spotlight, and not all heroes wear caps. The learning here is about how we value things and the people around us. Always remember, when we value something, we appreciate it and take more care of it. To make you understand this, let me narrate a beautiful story from the life of J.R.D. Tata. J.R.D. Tata had a friend who always used to say, J.R.D., I often misplace and lose my pens. Now I only buy cheap ones so that I don't have to worry about losing them. Also, sometimes I become quite careless. By listening this, JRD suggested him to buy the costliest pen he could afford and see what happens. By listening to the advice, the friend purchased a 22-carat gold cross pen. After nearly 6 months, they met each other and JRD asked him, "Do you still misplace your pens?" And his friend replied, No, I'm very careful about my costly pen and I'm surprised how I have changed." Then JRD explained, "My dear friend, the value of the pen made the difference. And there was nothing wrong with you as a person." This is what happens in our life. When we value something, we are most careful with it. But here is a question. Do we value everything that needs to be valued? If we value our health, we'll be careful about what we eat. If we value our time, we will never ever waste it. If we value our health, we'll be careful about what we eat. And all of this, if we value all the people around us, we'll appreciate their efforts and take more care of them. Today, as we are attending this program, we may appreciate the efforts of speakers, anchors, and many others whose efforts are visible to us. But there are many other silent efforts being put in by many others who equally play an important role in making today's program successful. So I thank the dedicated cameramen, light and sound technicians for capturing every moment of today's program. I thank each and every support staff for their services and everyone who has the silent power. Dear audience, lakhs and lakhs of people in India work tirelessly every day from morning till evening to provide their services to others. We may say they are working for their salaries. Yes, everyone has monetary needs. But imagine if someone appreciates you by saying, "You did a great job," or "Thank you." How purest this smile will be on your face. My humble request to everyone, please acknowledge and thank every service you receive and thank everyone who serves you. I thank my heart for being with me always and doing its duty without any expectations. Thank you all for your patient listening.